First, let's clearly define where aerosol fire extinguishers can be used safely and in which situations they should not be preferred. These systems provide an effective solution in enclosed spaces for Class A solid material fires, Class B flammable liquid fires, and polymer fires. However, materials such as reactive metals, oxidizers, organic peroxides, and pyrophoric substances are not suitable for aerosol systems. Aerosol fire extinguishers are effective against solid materials, flammable liquids, and electrical equipment. Next, we will look at how to position these systems correctly. For wall installations, the extinguisher is positioned between 0 and 45 degrees, and it can also be mounted on the ceiling. All devices must be installed at the same angle to ensure even aerosol distribution. When multiple extinguishers are used, the distance between them must be at least 50 centimeters. This spacing prevents interaction caused by turbulence during discharge. Finally, there must be no obstacles in front of the extinguisher to keep the aerosol flow clear. Keeping the discharge path clear is one of the fundamental criteria for maintaining extinguishing performance. Electrical connections should allow simultaneous activation, be installed with fire-resistant cables, and connected in series. All extinguisher housings must be grounded. When multiple aerosol fire extinguishers are used, a booster panel or sequencing module is required to control the system output. The extinguisher must be positioned to prevent aerosol discharge toward people. For correct installation, refer to the discharge temperatures in the ALAS user and maintenance manual. Each product has minimum and maximum height limits. Product selection must follow coverage test height parameters. In a 4-meter high museum, only IP 6100 and IP 4600 are suitable. After aerosol fire extinguishers are activated, dense aerosol smoke is generated, significantly reducing visibility. After activation, the area must be evacuated to avoid aerosol exposure. Warning signs and emergency lighting must be installed in protected areas. In this video, we summarize the key principles for correct aerosol fire extinguisher installation. Proper field application of these principles significantly improves system safety and performance.